Hello guys, let's straight away get into business. All you have to do is just go to your app store and type Adobe Spark Post and download it. And if you're using an Android, just go to your Play Store and download it. So I've already downloaded it, and here it is. And this is what you see when you first go into the app, and you also have to log in or sign up using your Facebook and Gmail. I've already signed up. So yeah, so if you want to create a post, just click the green icon, and then we can select this solid color, and you can always change it later. Okay, fine. So and you have to choose the platform. So there's Instagram portraits, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest. Okay, and just click done. And the most important thing is, on the right hand bottom corner you'll see this watermark. You have to click it and remove the watermark on this project. It's in the bottom. You have to click it and it will be gone. And then you can edit the text. Double tap to edit text. You can let's write how to become an entrepreneur. Okay, right? So here it is. Okay, so you can always change the color. Let's change it to so if you don't want this box, you can go to shapes and just take it away. See, and also you can add certain other shapes as well. Okay, so let's just remove it. And font and the color, it's white. Okay, fine. And the font, will change the font. Let's change it to Bebas. Okay, this looks good. And let's just change the background. Just tap the background, and there you'll see a replace button. Just click it. And if you have photos in your albums, you can always choose them. Otherwise you can just search for free photos, and let's just tap. Oh, it's already there. So entrepreneur, let's oh, this looks good, I think. Let's give it a couple of seconds to load. It's a big file, so yeah, here it comes. And you can always give it an effect. Just tap the background and go to looks. Okay, there are few effects. See, this looks good, right? Or this, I think this looks good. Okay, you can also change the color by tapping it twice. See, okay, fine. So here we go. That's really a nice poster which you can post anywhere. And also, if you want the same post to be posted on maybe on an Instagram story, all you have to do is just click resize and Instagram story. So you have to change the words and the position, but it's very easy, right? You don't have to have the knowledge of Illustrator or Photoshop to do such things. And also there are let's go back, and there are many templates to choose from. There are premium ones, but most of them are just free, so you can go to them and just remix it. You can edit stuff. It might take a while because it's an animated GIF. Oh, okay, so just remove the watermark and you can just edit it. Okay, and also you can choose animations as well. See, so it will come as a video or a GIF. So I think this is a really important app if you are a busy entrepreneur who wants to update your Instagram or your Facebook regularly. So thank you for watching this video, and if you want to learn more of these tricks, please subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon for more updates. Thank you very much.